Everybody stand by. In 5, 4, 3, 2.
Hi, welcome to this special edition of Tool Time. I'm Tim the Toolman Taylor. You know my assistant, Al. We're here at beautiful Memorial Park, ready for the big race with Bob Vila. I've got this little helmet cam, so you'll all see exactly what I see. Hey, Bob, who do you think is going to win the race, huh?
It's for charity, Tim. The real winners are the children.
Of course they are, Bob. The winners are the kids. In second place, me. In a distant third, Bob.
What are you doing, Tim?
Trying to show the folks at home if there's any critters crawling around in your beard.
Well, I think we're about ready to go. Gentlemen, if you'll take your places.
Okay.
Good luck, Tim.
Thank you, Al.
Bob, good luck.
Thank you, Al. What is that?
Just a little old engine, Bob.
Gentlemen, start your engines.
Thanks, officer. I'll make sure I get those tickets for Tool Time for you. You bet. So, how was your day?
Well, when I heard on the news that there was a lawnmower running amok down I-96 with a police helicopter in hot pursuit, I thought to myself, could this be my husband? Are you all right?
Pretty good chance of that. Yeah, I'm all right. There's good news and bad news. The bad news is I got a ticket and they impounded the lawnmower.
What's the good news?
Good news is I mowed 40 lawns and made $186.